Buenos dias. Welcome to the MrPurpleTech. Today we are going to unbox and review the Wyze headphones. I really love Wyze, and they bring out products that are really cheap and very good at the same time. As they brought their first product, which is the Wyze Cam, and it was $20 at the time, which is really cheap for a smart home camera. Wyze has evolved now and possesses a full range of devices. This is the first time we are doing a review of their product, but I can assure you, it won't be the last. Here's the beast. So, in the box, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, and I love the fact that it isn't micro USB. You should move forward and not move backwards. Then you'll find a nice pouch. It's really nice. I love the fact it's ash. Then you have a jack-to-jack cable and a quick start guide. Last but not least, you'll find the headphones themselves. The pouch is nice, and I'm sure you are only going to need that when you are traveling or moving around with the headphones. You can use the jack-to-jack cable to connect your headphones directly to your phones when your headphones are low. So setting up the headphones is really simple, and that's what I love about Wyze. Anytime I'm setting up one of the Wyze devices, I just go in the app and follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the headphones. The LED light will now start blinking between red and blue, and you know the device is ready to pair. Then you install the app and follow the steps. Complete the installation, and then you have access to many other things, such as turning on and off the noise cancellation mode, the transparency mode, and other features that you might need. The material used to make the headphones are very light. I think it's plastic, but it still has that premium look and premium feel. The ear caps are very comfortable. It's really foamy, and there's a nice synthetic leather wrapping it up. In fact, they are so comfortable you might even fall asleep with them, and then remove them while you were sleeping without even noticing anything. Everything is smooth, comfortable, flexible, and strong. I feel like they are really nice. I dropped them a couple of times, but they didn't seem to care. On the left ear cup, you have an oval button that allows you to switch between transparency mode and noise cancellation mode. You also have the USB Type-C charging port. So if you like jogging with your headphones on, I strongly suggest you use the transparency mode. Why? I tell you shortly. On the right one, you have the microphone cutout, and you have the play and pause button as well as the volume button. The play and pause button has a nice switch that allows you to know when you are on it. You can also double press it to play the next track, or triple press it to play the previous one. The play and pause button is also what you use to receive and reject calls. You can just press it to receive the call, or hold it for a while to reject the call. During the call, you can double tap on it just like this to mute and unmute the microphone. There are a few gestures about these headphones that I really like. You double tap like this to activate your home assistant. The second one is you put 4 of your fingers or the whole hand on the right ear to activate conversation mode. This means you'll be able to hear what other people are saying in the room. The conversation mode is one of the features I prefer because I'm a music lover, so I listen to music all day long. And my relative and my friends usually don't like it because they have to touch me while I'm listening to the music with the highest volume you can ever imagine. Usually, with my normal headphones or AirPods, I have to pause or remove my headphones to listen to what other people have to say. But now I can just do this. Listen and remove my hand. This is very convenient. and I think this might be the best feature for me on those headphones. Another features of the Wyze headphones is that they allow you to connect to 2 different devices at the same time. But do not get me wrong, this doesn't mean you can listen to both sounds simultaneously. Although you can create an app for that, for crazy people that want to listen to 2 different sounds at the same time. The dual pairing actually allows you to switch seamlessly between 2 of your devices. My brother called this instant hearing. Pretty marketable, right? So you can easily switch between listening to music to a quick Zoom call on your PC without having to do the disconnect here and connect here ritual. The noise cancellation is acceptable. However, the volume level is not really that great. Overall, if I have to compare to the AirPods Max, I think it will be 80%, give or take. So if you really like to listen to music with a high volume level, I don't think this headphone will satisfy you. The volume is decent, but it's not through the roof. These headphones cost $60. And the reason why they are so good is because Wyze love disrupting any market they enter. Disrupting is good, but actually, you get what you pay for. Again, I love the fact that they are USB Type-C, which means you will not have to carry a micro USB cable with you because of them. Another interesting thing is that the battery lasted about 18 hours, which is pretty close to the 20 hours promised by Wyze. The autonomy varies with your utilization, and you'll probably decline as you are using the headphones, but it's a good start. You can kill these on a normal day. Your phone will die first. The website says they can handle sweaty workouts and even some drizzling. However, they are not IP rated, so I will not jump in the pool with them. The title of this video is not a hoax. One of my brothers went out jogging with the Wyze headphones and a bus behind him lost his brakes. The only reason why he came out without injuries and perfectly fine was because he was running on transparency mode. Every time you are out running or jogging, please use the transparency mode. It might save your life too. For $60, like many other Wyze products, these headphones are incredibly competitive. If you're not a content creator or a melomaniac, I strongly recommend those headphones. They are really good. Well, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me your impression in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to get notified every time we bring out new content. My name is Kevin and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.